Wow, this is a big mothership, this one. John Bowe here, I'm out at Gray's Classic Cars, and this is the biggest, baddest truck you can possibly find. In case you don't know, this is a Shelby Super Snake F150. It has got the lot. There's not a single option that you can have that this hasn't got. It's 750 horsepower, supercharged V8 engine. It's got custom trim, custom brakes, custom wheels, a shotgun window in case you want to shoot somebody. It's like, you know, this is what made America great. Cars like this. 150 only were made, so there's only 150 in the world. This is number 69. Wow, this seriously, I mean, I would love this. This is the biggest, baddest truck you could possibly find. 750 horsepower. Big Shelby supercharger. It's called a Super Snake. They make a Mustang as well called a Super Snake, so it's sort of the absolute top of the range, and doesn't it look awesome? I could just imagine cruising up to Sydney in this. There it is, all the way from Indiana, USA, a Shelby F150 Super Snake. The biggest, baddest truck you can find. Gray's Classics.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.